welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a challenge, finally. I've been trying 2 new orange juice. You can find the at Natural Grocer, Whole Foods, Fred Meyer, Safeway. So it's nice to find something good. I've been having the craving of orange juice for the past month. And in April, beginning of May, I've been having orange juice a lot. I know it's also not good to have orange juice every day because of the citrus, and that hurt my body sometimes, but I want something sweet other than my water and my smoothie sometimes, so, and my tea, which I do drink sometimes. I just want something else. So I found this one, the plant-based nutrition real press. It is orange and tamarind in a water blend and orange juice. And you can tell I've been drinking a lot of it. This one is very pulpy and a little sour. So good. And then we have Uncle Matt's organic oranges. This one is no pulp and it is a little sour, but still the flavor is really good. Nice subtle taste. Not too strong and not too sour. It's just like the right amount of it. So that is my 2 challenge. One challenge with 2 food this week. Oranges. So if you like oranges, give me a thumb up. Subscribe down below. Click the bell so you know when I'm posting. Share with a family friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.